bottom line here is your product has to be good enough. It doesn't have to be naman perfect. Okay, guys? Number one, hindi mo naman talaga malalaman kung perfect eh. But research your market. Ano yung challenge, frustrations ng target market mo? And then, get the information that will help them solve the problem. Remember, what we do, people are not after with information, they're after with transformation. And that is what most people, many people who are not in this business, that they do not understand. Akala nila Google lang, ba't ako bibili ng ebook, i-google ko lang and all. They don't get it. People are not after with just information, but they want transformation. And people are not just after information, but they also want to save time dahil wala na po silang panahon. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.